All right, welcome back everybody. Ryan here again today. So we got the engine back in our E450 Super Duty here, old U-Haul truck that I'm turning into a new service truck, mobile service truck, or shop on wheels basically. This is a 14-foot box on this. So got a lot of space, and we've already showed the inside of it and all that in the last videos. So I got a new engine from Jasper. 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty, all that good stuff. Long block engine, had the oil pan. Pretty easy to put back in. I put it all, everything I did here myself. You know, pulled the engine out myself, put it back in myself with a engine lift, cherry picker, and all that. You know, it is an automatic given, so it went in relatively easy. Like I said, even by myself. So. Pretty impressed with the design of these. I've never worked on a E-Series Ford before. This is the first time I've worked on them. And everything kind of just, all the wiring harness and all that, the way it was molded, everything just kind of laid in right to where it was supposed to go. So it was pretty quick. I mean, I got probably 8 hours total, 8 or 10 hours putting the thing back together roughly. So I haven't done anything. I put 10 gallons of good 90 non-ethanol ethanol gas back in it. Threw some Techron in it. Other than that, my battery should be charged, but if not, I've got my big charger there in case. So I haven't even put the key in this thing yet to turn it on to prime the fuel pump or anything. Also, like I said, I didn't build this engine. This truck had been sitting for a while up there at U-Haul. I mean, from the lady that I bought, the manager up there. Like I said, I bought it from U-Haul up in Parma, Ohio, Cleveland area. So she talked like it had a cracked block or something internally. She talked like it had been sitting for a couple of years, so I don't know what's going to happen when this thing starts up. Hopefully the transmission's good. They told me the transmission and everything was supposed to be good. So other than my battery charger, got my ABC fire extinguisher. Hopefully I won't need to use that. And I have a Cord Coles banquet there, which hopefully we're going to use one of these. So, and hopefully it's the cold beer after this and not the fire extinguisher, although maybe both. You know, if you got to use a fire extinguisher, then I might want a beer afterwards too. So, what else? So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it out here. So let's just, I'm ready to get on with this. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. So I still got everything kind of. I got the little doghouse taken off here, and I got a light in here just to kind of monitor everything. This thing took like 6 or 6.5 gallons of antifreeze. I was kind of surprised. So anyways, I got the key here. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh, wipers are on. Radio's on. I don't hear a fuel pump. There we go. I didn't think there was any gas in this. I figured they would have all siphoned it off, but it's saying I have over half a tank, so it's probably got like really, really old gas in it. So I probably should have siphoned it off, but here goes. So I did put all new fuel injectors, all new coil packs and everything else on it. I do have a check engine light and all that on. That could be from the last engine. So I'll probably hook my computer up to it, see what we got. So not too bad. 2006, got 96,000 miles, so not many miles. Halfway clean truck for the most part, but it is running. So this water down here is not from the engine. I actually pressure washed this radiator before I put it back in. So it's had up in the coils and all that, it had water up in there. Other than that, I don't see any leaks at this point. They don't sound too bad. The exhaust don't sound too bad. Don't hear a miss or anything. So. Now I just started idling her off. That's not cool. Did put a new fuel filter in it, so like I said, this thing probably got some old gas in it. It's gonna have to be ran through, unfortunately. I'll probably go through, probably change it, check that fuel filter and change it out again also. Because like I said, it probably just sucked up a bunch of junk through that with this thing sitting as long as it did. Okay, there it kind of picked up. Yeah, it don't sound too bad. Yeah. All right, guys, so it runs. I'm gonna get it out of here, put the headlights and stuff on. It's actually smooth back out there. So. The oil pressure's good. It's charging. I put a new alternator, put a new AC compressor and everything else on it. I said while I was in there, I figured I might as well do everything, get it over with. That way I don't have to take it apart for what the parts cost, you know, later on. So anyways, I'm probably gonna hook my scanner up on here and see what that check engine light is. That could have been from before if it hadn't been cleared out. So anyways, guys, that's it. That's all I got for today. Be more coming down the road. Like I said, we're gonna get this guy outfitted out, cleaned up, and get it all set up and have this on the road here hopefully next week. So sounds halfway decent now. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And as always, hit the bell for the update and like the videos and all that. Thanks for all the support, guys. You know, we're always investing back into our business here to increase our capabilities to help out you guys. So there'll be a lot more to come down the road. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. And we'll see you next time.